Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see how many hours you have played Roblox. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you simply need to open Roblox. Once you open Roblox, you simply need to click on three dots in the right bottom corner. And here you can see avatar shop, premium, friends, profile, groups, inventory, messages, create, but there is no option to see how many time you spend, and there is no option in home, in search, or let me show you. And here you can see there is no option, so the only method possible you can see is to open your smartphone settings, and then you simply need to go into the app management, or you can see a screen time here, and here you can see how many times. So here you can see that I spent 5 minutes on Roblox. So this is the only method possible by which you can check that how many time you spend on Roblox. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.